Hello everybody, happy Tuesday. Yes, I'm back. And I'm back because my paper pumpkin order's supposed to arrive tomorrow. And I feel like it's cheating if I don't do a Facebook Live that's not paper pumpkin. Is that bad? So I'm going to do not do the paper pumpkin tonight because I don't have it, but I am going to do the card that I was going to do tomorrow night. Okay. Hi, Denise. So I know I did not tell anyone I was coming on. I'm in this mode of like, I'm sneaking in when I can get in. Isn't it Tuesday? Don't scare me. It's Tuesday, right? Denise is like, my paper pumpkin is coming Wednesday. Does that make sense? So I was like, kind of messing around. Yes, it's Tuesday and I'm on because, why not? So what we are starting with is I have got a Whisper White card base. Hi, Julie. Oh, there's Debbie. Yay. Whisper White card base. I have got, and I pre-cut some of these just because I was waiting for a minute on the 5 to get started. Is that dorky? I could not start at 8:33. Hi, Janice. I had to start at 8:35. So pre-cut Whisper White card base. I've cut a strip of that gorgeous DSP that we were using last night. Sorry, I'm going to show it to you again in case you missed it last night. So this is the gorgeous one that kind of coordinates with that whole Snowman one. So this is our Let It Snow specialty DSP. Yes. Hello, people. So I've cut a piece of that. Now this is just 2 inches by 5.5. Okay. So I want it exactly the length of my card front. And what we are going to do is we are going to super glue this. Don't super glue it. Can you imagine? I would be the person who super glued her fingers together. Okay, so we're going to jump in. And this is a trick on my eyes at this time of night, is lining up white on white. It doesn't work well for my eyes at night. Okay. Because there is the white behind it, it makes it a little bit sneaky for me. Hi, Allie Hawken. Okay, next one. We've got this strip here of a same DSP, not the same piece, obviously, but the same package. Okay, and this one is a 1/2 inch by 5.5. So what I'm going to do for this is I'm just going to kind of lay this square over here, and that's going to tell me roughly where I want this one to go, because I know how much space those squares take up. So then we can just stick this right down, people. Easy? Yes? Yes. Hi, Debbie. Hi, Darst. I'm hoping you got that email today with the video. I sent it. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we've got these 3 squares of Whisper White. So what we're going to do is take the Memento ink, okay? We're going to hit up all 3 snowmen. So we've got this super cute little guy. Now, you're obviously not going to see the whole thing, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to just get him in there, okay? Pull him off. Next. We're going to go for the next snowman. Okay, same thing. We're going to pop him in. We're going to kind of lift him up a little bit higher. Okay, just a sec. Hi, Pam. No, we need one more snowman. Of course, apparently I put him away after I used him. Well, I'm not sure. I'm not sure why. Don't ask. I just did. So now we're going to have to kind of sneak. Oh, no, I have another block right here. We're not out of blocks. There is no shortage of blocks. I have a lot of blocks in the drawer. So we're going to go in here. We're going to ink him up. Make sure you've got good coverage. Hello, Valerie. Well, you wouldn't think I was so lovely if you could see me right now. I've got that frazzled end of the day mom look. You know when you look in the mirror and you're like, who is that? Because it ain't me. But it is. Okay, so we've done that. We got. Okay, next thing we're going to do is I'm just going to get all the kind of stamping done. And then we have to do just a tiny bit of big shorting. Any balls tonight? Well, I feel like this card might be better with balls, but we're going to leave it ballless. Oh, Becky. Of course someone had to go there. We will see. Okay, so we've got that what I need for the big shot. Now, while these guys are here, let's just I'm going to close the real red ink because we all know how that's going to end. And nobody needs to see that. It will look like a massacre. Okay, so I'm going to grab my light pool party, yes. And we've seen me do this a zillion times. This is nothing new or exciting, but just take it and throw a little bit down one side or the other. Yes? Oh, nuts. Do you guys feel like we should add it? Should we add balls? We've got some cute little ones. I meant cute little snowballs. There's cute little snow drifts in the air. Maybe we could. Maybe we'll add some just for fun. Well, maybe I think we should. Okay, so we've got him there. Now, next thing we're going to do is we're going to grab our pumpkin pie. Yes, here we go. Hello, Elise. And we're going to do their cute little noses. I'm not going to lie. I think the thing I love about stamping snowmen there's not a lot of coloring involved. Like, you want to do fast cards? These are your way if you're like trying to knock off the Christmas cards. Okay, so with that real red, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take it and I am going to use my dark real red and I'm going to stripe this guy's, kids are in bed, no PG tonight. My kids are in the next room. Mind you, I don't think they'd be all that surprised. Oh, can you hear the beep at my house? It's not a fire alarm or a smoke detector. We have this little detector under the sink to pick up if there's any kind of water, because we had this issue, I don't know, like 10 years ago where a hose connection broke off under there and made a huge mess. So, paranoia sets in. Okay, so now I'm using my shaded spruce. So I'm going to come in and I'm going to go boop, 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 boop with dark, yes. And then on here, all I'm going to do is I think I'm going to do the thinner strips and shaded spruce. Doot, doot, doot. He's so cute. I love these guys. This set is so cute. I know. And super like non-traditional Christmas colors in this DSP. Like I love the Coastal Cabana and it's super cute in there. Okay, so we're gonna go in there, finish off his little toque. And now I did him, let's try. I'm trying to decide whether I want to add. I had real red in his toque on it before, so let's just try it. Do you guys want snowballs on this one? Should we put snowballs on it just for fun? I think I liked it better green and white. Oh well, that's okay. It's still super cute. Hello, Angie. How are you? Yeah, you can hear the beep. I know, but I just realized that. I'm like, where's that coming from? And then I clued into what it was. Okay, so next step. We've got these little bits. Let's move our bits away. Put your bits away, people. And we're going to grab my big shot. Woo. Okay, here we go. I'm going to move that so that I don't... Oop, I'm squashing my case. Just a sec. There you go. Okay, so on here, all we're doing is I've got my rectangle stitch dies. Why? Because it looks 100 times better to me than just sticking it on as a plain rectangle. I love how that like little bit of stitching finishes it. Okay, so go like that, and we will crank it through. Do, do, do. Sing to your big shot. Yes, snowballs. Okay, so Valerie's made the decision. We have to put snowballs on. Okay, just a sec. Sorry, I had to move that back. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pop that one out. We need that. And then because you need snowballs, I'm gonna need a heat gun. So there is our puff paint, which is back in stock. Woo woo! So this is actually going to be, check this out, this is a freebie with my class kit to go. So when you do the Snowman bundle, and you'll see that thing email goes out for it tonight, and it'll go up on my Facebook, but you actually get that puff paint for free if you do the bundle one for the class. Okay, focus, Angela, something shiny. Ready? Now, next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna grab these guys. Now these guys I wanna put on with dimensionals. You're not on as late as last night? No, I'm on later, because last night it was only 8 o'clock, and it was 8 o'clock my time, and what is it now? It's 8:45. I'm later tonight, much later. Okay, there. So with this, I'm going to start with him down in the very bottom. Oh my gosh, that beeping's going to make me insane. Okay, so we're going to put that one down there, put him on straight, okay? Then the next one we're going to do is this cute little guy. Whoops. You're loving this? Oh, I'm glad, Tanya. Okay. Do you have this one yet, Tan? I'm going to come in here and I'm going to do... Tanya, wait till you see the puff paint snowballs. Cutest thing ever. But I think we need to go smaller. Yes, somebody can say it. We need smaller balls tonight. Okay, so we're gonna put this one in. Okay, next thing I'm gonna grab is I want my, oh my gosh, that beeping. Where'd it go? I had my Whisper White twine out. Did I eat it? No, there it is. I did not eat it, it's okay. I just left it in the bin where it was supposed to be, and this is not fed through right now because I was doing something and pulling stuff out of there tonight. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go around the card a couple of times, give myself some extra, and whack, chop. Okay. Now I'm breaking the joint. Okay, so now we're good to go. And all I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna wrap it around. I'm gonna come back to the front. I'm gonna take this one, and I don't want it to be, I want it to kind of be more away from that little stripe. Hi there, Jeanette. How are you? Tuck this one under. Only reason I do that little tuck under is so that when I tie my knot, he actually holds those two strings together so that they're not like, all slippy dippy. Okay, so I go like that, go like this. Tie a bow. Oh, okay, so we got it all cute. I feel like it's got droopy. I just got this set today. Oh, yay, April. Seriously, you're going to have so much fun. Like, I kind of feel like this guy is a little bit endless. They're so sweet, the images. And I don't know, I was like, I'm going to show off all three of them together. Okay, now I do want to move this up. Okay, so trick. If you need to move a bow up, instead of ripping your card, take your card and curve it a little. Does that make sense? Now you can easily move that up. And then you just flatten your card back out. Okay, adorable. I'm okay I'm alive and kicking. I'm this side of the dirt, so we're going to call that winning, right? Okay, this one, what we're going to do is we're going to need to put 2 dimensionals on back to back, okay? So they're going piggyback here. Just a sec. Because the other side is going to get 1 pop-up, but it's already on top of something with a dimensional. So I need these to balance out so that he doesn't end up all wonky. Okay, so we're going to come in here. We're going to do that. Now, at the request of your snowballs, here we go, people. Are you ready? Why don't you put the ribbon through the holes instead of the jar lid? Through the holes instead of... Oh, no, they're definitely usually through the jar lid. I just was saying, Becky, I usually have them through there, but tonight I was pulling out rolls of twine and I just hadn't got to feed everyone back through. Okay, so remember, give your Snowfall Accents puff paint a good shake, shake, shake. Now, I'm going to try and go we're going small balls tonight, because we don't want these to stick up, or don't want them to spread too... Oh, I was also told not to do this. Okay, so I just did something I was told not to do. I was told don't put them over top of ink, because they will do something. I can't remember what it was. Will they bleed? Will it take on the ink? Okay, well, we're going to find out. You want to see it? This is what not to do. Okay, hang on. You ready? So cute. You love the snowman. Okay, so here we go. We're going to see what happens. They could could be dirty snow. We'll find out. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's puffing. It puffed. Oh, it doesn't look dirty. It didn't take on... It looks like it's going to take on the color. And then once you hit it with the... It lost it. Okay, so that's good to know. There we go. We're okay. So we didn't wreck anything. I was super scared we were going to wreck something. But then again, I heated up my whole card. And, then it starts to curve, which is always super bright. Shake your ball paint. Yep. Shake. Denise, I love it. Okay, so look at how sweet is that? Now, can you see? Just a second. I'm going to tilt him. And I'm going to hold it still. Can you see the cute little snowballs up there? And I definitely would not be scared now to add them on the rest. But so, so sweet. So... Just a second, I will show you this. Where is he? I have to find him. Where's your Snowman Seasons? Anyone know where he is? My class kit to go will have 5 projects in it, okay? So you get 5 projects. You also get your stamp set and you get your punch. You'll have 2 options. You can just get the stamp set and then you can fussy cut, or you can do the stamp set punch, which is the 42.25 one. But for everyone who does it, guess what they're getting free? This is like a little, gotta do this because no snowman is complete without his snowballs. Hello. Okay, you have to not worry about your heat gun, Becky. I promise, it's not going to hurt you. Anyway, my dears, thank you so much for joining me. Kind of a fun layout to put together, easily with some cute little bits in there. And it's not complicated. You can really show off what's in it. Have an amazing night, and I will see you tomorrow night. Thank you, Christine. Bye.